Nakita namin ang grupo ng NV models with Let's Clothing sa may street ng Lawag City. Ano kaya ang sikreto nila? Ito na siguro ang sign para maging looking fresh. Watch guys.
First we have Kim. Ayan, magpakilala ka.
Hello, I'm Kim Villaluna, KIN, and some of you might know me as Carlo Joaquin on TikTok. A social media content creator, mainly on TikTok, Instagram, and then also on Facebook. So more on lifestyle, anything under the sun. So I'm really enjoying Ilocos Norte.
Stay, diba? Stay. Oh, next one. This is Aisel. Oh, introduce yourself, Aisel.
Hello po, I'm Aisel. I'm John Aisel Valias on Facebook and I6 Spicy on IG. I'm a content creator din po, but more on most of my content is about skincare and grooming because as a Jersey students, my followers wants to know how to groom properly being a student. And also, I'm a contemporary dancer, so every day when I post is all about my daily lifestyle po.
Sample naman ng dance.
Yes!
Single or triple? Ay, single daw sa Patrick. Single. Ay, rigor ah! Rigor. Single daw.
Everyone, again, I'm Nel Madriaga. You can follow me on Instagram at I am Nel Madriaga. I'm also a content creator and a corporate person. Yun lang po, my main sport is actually men's makeup, stylist, lifestyle.
Hi everyone, my name is Lex Rios, all the way from Alabang, and I'm currently a content creator, a game streamer sometimes, and a Vivo1 artist.
I'm Reggie Warner and I do gigs, singing, acting, and commercial model. I'm also a fashion and lifestyle creator.
Sample sa singing.
Dito kasi sa Ilocos, bihira ang straight guy na gumagamit ng ganyan. So ano yung may papayo nyo sa kanila na, na no gender ito? So even straight guy, dapat mga Ilocanos is hygienic at the same time be properly dressed and properly pagdating sa
Proper grooming.
proper grooming at the same time even sa mga content creator kasi sumasalang kami.
Taplohan niya na donglit.
Hindi kami conscious
Yes.
because ang Ilocano walang pakialam. So pero ang millennial natin ngayon is kailangan na. So ano may papayin mo?
So actually po kasi, yung brand value kasi namin is elevating men's grooming. So our core values kasi talaga namin is to destigmatize makeup. So
Nice.
parang gusto namin ipakita sa market, ay lalaki yan, pwede yan mag-makeup. So makeup is for everybody kasi. So ayun, may madadagdag pa ba kayo, Kim?
Siguro I would like to share my personal experience. Siyempre ako, I'm an engineering student. Graduate ko ng mining engineering. So kadalasan ininiero, hindi talaga malayo yung mundo ng pag-influencer, pag-content creator sa pag-engineer. At actually, hindi ako marunong mag-makeup bago ko kunin ang NV Mayaman as an ambassador. Pero ngayon, I think there's a good opportunity to talk about you guys na lahat pwedeng mag-makeup kahit baguhan, lalaki, babae, kahit anuman kasi mas na-elevate niyo yung confidence niyo, mas magiging kayang-kaya niyo i-presenta yung sarili niyo sa mga tao na nakakasalamuhan. So, I think yun yung mga mapapayo. Kahit huwag kayong matakot sumubok, kahit mga straight na lalaki dun sa Ilocos, huwag kayong lalaki.
Nice.
And also, yung NV Mayaman, you can follow us on all of our social media platforms.
Sa very life-changing kasi yung brand po ng Andy is madami pong mga girls na parang naghahanap sila ng product sa mga boyfriend nila, sa mga pangregalo sa mga kasintahan nila. But actually kasi magkaiba yung brand ng pang girl kaya minsan nagiging OA pag nilalagay sa boys. So actually yung Envy, nag-come up siya ng idea which is the first ever na yung lip serum namin is very bestseller namin kasi yung pagka-natural pink tint niya is very natural sa mga boys. So yung mga boys, nakaka-curious sila paano ma-maintain yung ganung hygienic and maintain. So I think this Envy bring the life-changing to all the market that men also can wear makeup.
You can also check their Facebook page for inquiries. Thank you for watching and follow me for more.